Hi everybody, Kevin from Mula here. So part of new features that were rolled out in Bridge in this last release is integrated online payment forms. So this is great for adding a payment form to your website for patients to self-service outstanding balances. And with the new online payment form, we have a little more control and integration into Open Dental than what we had previously. So to create your online payment form, you'll go to Settings, tab over to Payment Page, and the only thing you need to do is set your URL. So in this case, I'm going to choose Happy Dental, and that's all you really need to do. At that point, you can copy this out and paste it, and that will be your payment page. This will, of course, have your logo, your colors, your branding. And at that point, you can use that link and put it on invoices or anywhere else. If we go back here, you'll also see a way where you can add just the form if you wanted to put a form directly on your website rather than linking out to the branded page. And if you have a web team that you use, then you could simply put in their email address and send them in instructions, and that will break down everything that they would need to either embed that form directly on your website or just have the URL that you can link to. So again, once you have your URL set, at that point when patients come to make a payment, we will use as many attributes as possible to try to match that patient to a record or a patient in Open Dental. If it does meet all the checkpoints, then we will automatically post that payment through to Open Dental. So there'll be no interaction on your part, and that'll just come into the dashboard as a payment page payment. So that will be automatic. If a patient submits a payment through your online form, let's go ahead and submit that payment. So again, if a patient submits a payment through your online payment form and we cannot match that to a patient in Open Dental, then at that point you will get emailed saying that a payment was made through your online payment form and we couldn't associate it, and that will link you back to Bridge to take action on that. Not only will you get an email, but we will also make it very apparent in Bridge on the dashboard that there's an unassociated patient or transaction. So when we couldn't do a match, then this panel will become enabled on your dashboard, alerting you that the payment was made through the payment page, but we couldn't match it to a patient. At that point, you will go to Actions, Associate to Patient. At that point, we'll show you all the fields that were submitted from that payment page, and we'll show you any possible matches as a quick way to say, yes, this is the patient that payment's made for. If this isn't quite the correct patient, then you can search your entire Open Dental patient list, select that patient that payment is supposed to be for, and then associate that selected payment. At that point, it moves to your normal transactions with the source payment page, and we will then post those payment details back to the patient ledger in Open Dental. So pretty straightforward. Again, if you guys have any questions, you could reach us at 800-625-1670, extension 121. But we hope this is a nice little addition, as this has been a fairly common request, and most of that request was wanting Open Dental integration. So we hope this was a slick way to be able to make it really easy to add that form to your website without a bunch of hassle, but still get that level of Open Dental integration. So give us a call if you have any questions. We'd be happy to run you through this again. Otherwise, enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.